Ayan, so dito pala guys yung ano namin nahanap. Oh my god, this is what we are looking for, and we almost
it doesn't
lost.
Look very Asian,
yeah,
does it?
It's a little bit aesthetics.
You're not paying for the aesthetics.
Yeah.
We're not eating Chinese. We're not paying for Chinese atmosphere.
Ayan, so dito kami sa Southport Gourmet and Sushi Bar. So let's see kung ano meron dito na pwede natin kainin, di ba? Hingihin na. Thank you.
Sauce come with a spring roll with white meat, chicken.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ayan, so magsasaron tayo dahil madami yung serving nila. Kasi the more na magkakain ako ng marami, sumasakit yung aking tiyan at saka naapektuhan yung aking karamdaman. This is sesame chicken. Sarap siya. O diba? Uso pala dito guys ang mga uso pala dito ang mga pasaron effect. Ayan, so ako ang nagbayad, of course. Tayo nagbayad at maglalagay tayo ng tip. How much the tip?
How much is the bill?
27.
I think it was $4.
Ayan. So tayo nagbayad guys. Bye. Thank you. Ayan, so meron kaming ano dito, dala yung tira namin para may dinner na kami ni Daddy. Ang sarap dito sa ano, Southport Gourmet. Hay nako. Nagyaya na naman si Daddy na lumabas kami dahil nga 'di ba, nalulungkot tayo.